Hello guys, this is me Pro Gaming and today we are playing Slither IO. That doesn't mind, I've not even start recording it yet. Make sure to like and subscribe, even subscribe to my friend's channels called with these game zones. So please do that guys, even to my channel. So let's start playing. I'm already big, it's been like 1 second and I'm already so big. Don't even try it, bro. You'll get constricted. The punishment of the god of Slither IO. Yes, I'm the god of Slither IO. If you touch me, you lose. Like OJ. If anybody teases me, he loses. Get out, give me that ... kind of thing. Yum, that's so yum. Alright, don't you try to tease me or teasing me. The god will constrict you both. I know that this green guy is his brother and I am the poisonous guy. Master Poison. Don't you try it. Give me all this. Green guy, if you try to steal it, you will suffer the consequences later. At least let's get on the leaderboard 6th, 7th place. That would be good. That would be still good. Not for one place because we need to go a lot and I don't think that I will do it so much. So let's start killing people. Oh, little guy trying to constrict somebody. You're dead now. Noobstar. Mr. Noob. Mr. Noob, you are dead, bro. That wasn't enough. I need to get on place 9. I mean not 9, 7. At least 7. Oh, you're a big snake. I should constrict you. Get out of here. Master constrictor. Oh. Yummy. Yum! That was good. Guys, I'm actually the snake in here. I'm the big snake on the server. My head is ginormous for me. I'm gonna constrict you all one day I get bigger. I should not try it. I should not try. Come on. Constrict. Oh, I can literally see my tail. Yes. I constrict 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and someone else. So 6 people in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people. Oh my god, now you all will give that one meat to me which I wanted. That will make me onto the leaderboard. Please guys, do it. Sacrifice for me. Just me. Don't do it for anybody. Just me. Don't you do it. Mister, get sacrificed. When you would die. I've been waiting for that. When will you noobs die? No, you're stealing it. That's my meat which you stole right now. This guy just taking all me. Don't you try. Now you are dead. You stole my meat. You give it back. I'm literally a cobra right now. No. Please don't disappear. Please don't disappear. Ah! No, no. Oh my. That was close. Hey, I'm fifth, guys. Let's go. Can you see? Yes, we are fifth. Yes. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Pro Gaming. You're the fifth. Are you kidding me? You know. Are you kidding me? You noobs! You just stole my thing, you boo! You noobs, what the heck? These guys, I wanna give a compliment in this whole server. These all snakes are like literally only rude to me. Why you wanna be rude? Why? That was like sorry guys, I screamed so much because these noobs won't kill me, no. These noobs won't kill me. They just wanna kick my head. That's what they always want to do, yes? They want to kick my head. It's like the best pain in the head. My head is like paining. Boo! Get out of here. Do me a favor. Get out of here. That's right. You're gonna get constricted. You killed me and they have stole the youth of mine. They stole the children of mine. I will now no longer stop it. Yum. At least 2 people is such a smart thing. Come on. That was like the worst game of my life. Get out of here. My mind was about to explode. My mind was like about to explode. Why would you ruin snakes? I'm gonna name this you all rude worms. You all are rude worms. Nobody is a good worm or nobody is a bad worm. Everybody are noob worm and rude worms. Everybody are rude, noob, any worms. Get out of here. Why are they all stealing? That's why it should have been a rule that whoever kills anybody, they should not steal, or they will be the whole world's stealer. Even like these robberies, they would be better stealers than these worms. Seriously, why would they kill me and steal my one? I wish I was dead and I would have respawned quickly. I would have grabbed every single dot on this server. But no, they won't let me. They won't let me. Why would they not let me? Why would my name be all are dude worms? That's lies. Lies names. Get out of here. Please do me a favor. Get out of here. Get out of here, big guy. You wanna cut strict? Come on, do it. Cut strict me and you'll suffer the consequences. The start was like so good, but this thing is the worst. I'm sorry. I just entered in Brawl Stars. I don't know why. But I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out. I'm of course madding out.